Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this super quick and easy look. I didn't apply fake eyelashes, so it's very simple. This is definitely my go-to look if I don't have a lot of time to get ready. It's so cute. Perfect for beginners, so I hope you like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And give this video a big thumbs up please if you like this look. And now, let's get started. So first, I'm going to grab my Flex Concealer from Milk Makeup and the Anastasia Flat Brush A4 to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. I normally use a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And as always, I'm going to apply a little bit more on my eyelid and use this as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques sponge, and it has to be nice and blended in order for the eyeshadows that you apply on top of that can also apply really nice and blend out without having a hard time blending it out. You can also use your finger to blend it out. It does a really good job too. I'm going to set the concealer using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and a fluffy brush from Profusion. I do it in tapping motions, that way I don't move the concealer. This is going to help a lot for the eyeshadows to blend out a lot faster and easier, especially if you're going to be applying dark eyeshadows, which we are today. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend this. Today I'm going to be using the LA Girl Fierce and Wild eyeshadow palette. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with a small brush from Profusion. I'm going to apply it in tapping motions right on the outer corner of my eyelid. And then once it's there, I slowly start blending it out in circular motions, really small circular motions, and then slowly start making that circle bigger and bigger. I want to start expanding that a little bit higher towards my crease and towards the outer corner. When you start blending it out, make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush. You want to use a light hand. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure. I'm going to apply a second layer just to deepen up the shade a little bit, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps, applying it in tapping motions and then slowly start blending it out. And this time it helps if I blend it out looking straight forward. That way I know for sure that the eyeshadow is visible when I'm looking straight forward and not just on the eyelid. So I want this to go over the crease. And you want to do this if you have hooded eyes or very small eyes and you don't want them to look too small. To help blend this out better, especially on the center, I'm going to grab the Profusion brush again with a little bit of the same pressed powder and just start blending that out. And I see a big difference when I do this. The eyeshadow looks a lot smoother. This just helps blend it out a lot better. I'm going to apply that same eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but just on the outer corner. And of course, for this part, you want to use a smaller brush. That way you don't start by applying a lot of product on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow with the Real Techniques detailer brush and apply this on the inner corner. This changes the look a little bit. It just stands out a little more. Makes it look so much cuter, and you can literally use any color shimmer because anything will look good with the brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, get them ready for my mascara, and I would like for them to be nice and curled. So I leave it on for 10 seconds, and then as I'm taking the eyelash curler off, I still keep pressing so they can be nice and curled. And today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto Mascara. This one's waterproof, and I highly recommend this mascara. It's my #1 all-time favorite drugstore mascara. I just love the way it applies the product. I love the brush, how it separates my eyelashes. I like to do it from the roots of the eyelashes all the way to the tip, and I just go like in zigzag as I'm turning the brush and brushing my eyelashes up and kind of pushing them towards the eyelid. But of course, you don't want to touch the eyelid because then it's going to get all messy, and you don't want that because you already have your eyeshadows. So just try to avoid that. And if your eyelashes fall down after applying mascara, you might want to try waterproof mascara. That helps. One of my sisters, only waterproof mascaras keep her eyelashes up, so give that a try. It might help you too. I am going to apply 2 layers. For the second layer, I do pretty much the same thing, and then this time I lightly go over the tip of the eyelash, and that's what helps make the eyelashes look a bit longer. But you don't want to press too hard over the eyelashes because then that's just going to apply way too much product. So just the very tip, and just do it very lightly. And then of course I'm also going to apply mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm also going to do 2 layers right here because I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of mascara when I don't wear fake eyelashes on my top and bottom lashes, and I just love how that looks. And that is it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and I really hope this video was helpful, especially if you are a beginner. And like I said, this is something really quick and easy to do for work or school, or just if you don't have time to get ready but you want to look nice. So give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, please, and share it with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!